Welcome. I am Stephanie Branford with Brayerst Validation Consulting. This video reviews a FDA finding related to cleaning equipment validation, highlighting critical compliance challenges and practical solutions for life sciences manufacturers. The FDA emphasized the need for a high degree of assurance when process outcomes cannot be fully verified later. This requirement assures compliance and product safety. Cleaning validation presents unique challenges compared to process validation for manufacturing. Sampling for cleaning must target worst-case residue risks, requiring prerequisites like test method validation and swab recovery verification to address contamination concerns effectively. The FDA noted deficiencies in the master validation plan, which narrowly focused on process and software validation, potentially misclassifying cleaning validation as a subset of process validation. Cleaning validation requires a tailored approach addressing cleaning specific risks, including studies like spray coverage confirmation and interfering level assessments, ensures the master validation plan aligns with the unique requirements of cleaning validation. The FDA found that cleaning processes lacked sufficient assurance of consistently meeting specifications. This gap suggests limitations in applying a traditional IQ-OQ-PQ framework to cleaning validation. An IQ-PPQ structure could better address cleaning-specific complexities by integrating operational extremes and full-scale processing in a single study design, enhancing process reliability and compliance. The FDA flagged a failure to adequately challenge cleaning processes under worst-case product and process conditions during OQ. This oversight can leave gaps in validation coverage. A pharmaceutical-inspired PPQ framework combines worst-case scenarios with routine operating scale, providing a holistic validation strategy that ensures the process is robust under all conditions. The FDA noted the absence of bioburden and particulate testing during OQ. While these tests confirm cleanliness, they do not replace cleaning validation prerequisites. Critical prerequisites include swab recovery challenge and spray coverage testing, which ensure the cleaning process is capable before downstream testing phases. Addressing these prerequisites earlier strengthens the overall validation process. The FDA observed inadequate challenges related to worst-case geometries, surface finishes, and operating parameters. Cleaning validation requires targeted sampling strategies focused on high-risk locations for residue accumulation. Unlike product sampling, residue sampling must prioritize areas where residue is most likely to remain, such as intricate geometries and hard-to-reach surfaces. Cleaning validation is vital to ensuring product safety and regulatory compliance. This FDA finding underscores the importance of tailored approaches to address unique challenges. To learn more about enhancing your cleaning validation strategies, visit Brayers.com or schedule a chat at meet.brayers.com. Connect with me on LinkedIn at founder.brayers.com for more insights and updates. Let's work together to achieve FDA compliance and operational excellence.